Hello everyone, we're here at the Farmers Market today. I'm super excited to announce that we're now in stock at Simply Irresistible. Let me show you where we are. We're going to have a little corner here in the store. So please come by, check out all of our new products. Follow me this way. We'll be located here at the entrance and we're going to have a lot of different things in stock. Some of our newer models are going to be here. And really cool new plants too, and they're all live plants. And of course, we're going to have a lot of our recycled line of planters, and we're going to be bringing new stuff every single week. Super excited to be at the Dallas Farmers Market now. Please come and check us out. Thank you so much.